The engineer, I know you like what you hear. Ice on my neck, got your bitch off of cocoa when she giving me head. Shawty put it on me. I'm back with another YouTube video, and as you read by the title, you already know that today's video is a hair collab video. I collabed with Dyhair777. They are 100% human hair. They sent me some hair, so we about to open it up and see. It says Brazilian 100% virgin hair. It is 20 inches. I believe this is like wet and wavy or body wavy. I'm not sure. But it is a frontal. Like, look at that. Stop playing with them. And then this is how the lace looks. Like, you could literally see through the lace. I'm still gonna bleach it anyways. But, like, stop playing with them, sis. Stop playing. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to install this. Keep watching. I got my wig cap on. I put makeup in the wig.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling
I begin to
It's so
I begin to.
So this is the finished look. This is how I most likely wear it, but you could wear it like this if you want to wear it like this. I personally will wear it like this because I like the bushy look. Like, it's giving vibes like scalp. Like, stop playing. And I feel like every time I do a wig, I get better and better at what I'm doing, or I learn a different technique. But yeah, if y'all like this wig, go get y'all this wig, period. This is how it looks in this state. Everything that you need to know be in the description box, period, sis. Period.